Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today our topic is what is an algorithm. Before that, we'll start with the algorithm analysis. It is a process of evaluating the performance of the algorithm, usually in terms of its time and space complexity. There are several ways to analyze the performance of an algorithm, including asymptotic analysis, which analyzes the behavior of an algorithm as the size of the input grows indefinitely. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a process or a set of required to perform calculations or some other problem solving operations, especially by a computer. The formal definition of the algorithm is that it contains finite set of instructions which are carried in a specific order to perform the specific task. It is not complete program. It is just a solution of a program which is represented either as an informal description using flowchart or pseudocode. A flowchart is a graphical representation of the algorithm. Programmers often use it as a program planning tool to solve a problem. It makes use of the symbols that are connected among them to indicate the flow of information and processing. The process of drawing flowchart for an algorithm is also known as flowcharting. Draw a flowchart to input two numbers from the user and display the largest of the two numbers. So this is a kind of flowchart which is the greater number. So start input number 1, input number 2. This is the step-by-step procedure. How can we make the flowchart? So these are the input boxes, the decision tables, and start and stop operations are there. And if the condition is true, then display number 1. If the condition is false, then the display number 2. So this is the result where we can put it. Characteristics of an algorithm. Input. An algorithm has some input values. We can pass 0 or some other input values to an algorithm. Output. We will get 1 or more input at the end of the algorithm. Unambiguity, that is, an algorithm which should be unambiguous. It means that the instructions in our algorithm should be clear and simple. Finiteness, an algorithm should have finiteness. Here the finiteness means that the algorithm should contain at least the limited number of instructions and the instruction should be countable. Effectiveness, the algorithm should be very effective as each of the instruction in the algorithm affects the overall process. Language independent, an algorithm must be language independent so that the instructions in an algorithm can be implemented in any of the languages with the same output. So if you like and subscribe our information, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.